and welcome to you. And today is going to be review day. So what are we reviewing? Let me tell you. We're doing garlic crab legs. But this, all you have to do is microwave it. Microwave. So I saw these in Winn-Dixie a couple of days ago, and I was just getting crab legs, came across this, and I was like, man, I like blue crabs. And they said it's all you gotta do is pop it in the microwave and steam them. And I'll take all that extra work out of it. So what we're gonna be doing today is seeing how these bad boys actually taste. If they are thumbs up or if they're thumbs down. So we're gonna get to it. So this should be real simple, real easy. Cooking instructions. Choose appropriate cook time for wattage of microwave using chart below. And there's the chart that they put on there. And lay bag on side. Microwave for half of time. Flip bag and microwave the additional time. Let stand 1 minute to cool. And product will be hot. Cook times may vary. So cook it how you think you need to cook it, pretty much. So what we're gonna do is, I don't know nothing about no wattage. I'm gonna be honest. Oh, can you look in the microwave and see? Does it have the wattage? I don't see it. I don't see it. So we're just gonna go for the 1200 watts and we're gonna do 5 minutes. Hey, what, is it gonna overcook it? I don't know. Hey, I don't know. But so what we're gonna do, what we say? Guess we just, we're gonna do what the thing says. Keep frozen until ready. So half the time. So it's gonna be a total of 6 minutes for this at 1200 watts. So half, one side 3 minutes, the other side 3 minutes. So I guess it doesn't matter which side you start. So we're gonna start this in the microwave on its side. Bam. We're gonna put 3 minutes on there and we're going to start it and see how that goes. All right, so timer on the first half is it's done. So we're going to flip it on the other side, bat out, put our other 3 minutes again, and see how that goes. So total of 6 minutes, and we're gonna see how it goes. And I'm hoping it's good because I'm kind of hungry. And don't let me down. So tick tock to the clock, don't stop. Tick tock to the clock, do stop. Do stop. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Gotta pass the time by. So that's it in the microwave. We have still a minute left, pretty much. It's puffing up in there. It's going. It's steaming. Looks like it's gonna burst. And we're counting down time. So we're down to 30 seconds. And then it's gonna be time to pop these bad boys out. All right, so I'm just gonna take like 2 of them out, That's a, good size. Compared to the hand. Or I have big hands. And number 2 is all juicy and stuff. Don't have to need some napkins, but alrighty, we're about to try these bad boys out. Let's see what we got. Do you want to try one?
Yeah.
We have Dawson. He's here. He's gonna be taste testing it with me. Oh, sorry, son.
I want to taste it first.
Yeah, okay, hold on 1 second.
The kid always tastes it first. If it tastes good.
No, because you're gonna make me not want to taste it. So.
Why?
Woo! Crabs are the most messiest thing to eat. You know, these are. So. This is like a big chunk of meat. You know, boo, boo, boo.
Yeah, we ate those before.
That is. All right, so here we go. Oh, no.
Okay. It tastes good?
I mean, it's not bad, but it's not bad. Let you taste it. And we're going to see what you say. All right, let you get a piece.
Ah.
We're going to give Dawson his piece. Come on, Dawson. Let me get Dawson his piece. It's taking me some time.
Yeah, I like eating sometimes.
All right, here you go.
Okay.
Just want to eat that top piece there.
Okay.
And tell what you think.
This tastes brilliant. I like it.
You like it?
I love it.
All right, well, he loves it. I kind of like it.
It tastes kind of sweetness. It's on sweetness, but if you put some like on the
butter.
Yeah, butter, it would just taste
Yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking with some more butter, it would be better. It's just the consistency is.
No, it's kind of not good. Taste.
It's not like, it's a little bit mushy.
Hold up. I got a clue.
And it feels like when it hits my stomach, it's not right. Okay, so.
I found a clue. How is taste nasty? Give me one.
I don't know. I just guess the live ones is pretty much.
Give me one with the meat in it.
Hold on. Let's.
Because I had a clue.
It's just so hard. These things are just so hard to
crack.
Yeah.
You're real hard. Only Dad can crack.
Yeah, he's better. All right, here you go.
I have a clue.
But
I think I know what's making it nasty.
Yeah. Okay. So put it down.
I think it's the sour part. The stuff on it. I think it's that one making it.
Yeah. So I can't do it. I don't even want to really eat any more of this. Like, my stomach is right now saying, put that down. So that's what I'm about to do. Frozen crabs are not like the live thing. And they've been frozen and the ice is on them. And it's just water. And, it's like, look at the inside of that. It was smelling good. It got me with the smell, but it's just watery. It's a no-go for me. Sorry. So I'm sorry with these. Don't go get them. Don't even waste your money. Don't go to your fresh market, get some live ones and cook them the right way. Because these frozen ones, they're not getting it. So.
It's so nasty.
Yeah. And that's two nasties. So, hey, we did that. We tried it. It's not for us. My stomach is kicking me right now. And I'm not even going to torture it no more with this. Not even to try to add some butter to it. So.
Mom, can I say something?
Sorry to say. microwavable frozen crabs are not the way. So it's a for the microwavables. Sorry. Sorry I tried them. But till the next time that we come through with a review or whatever we decide to do, we out.
Bye.